Warning. The following footage is a compilation of random sounds and noises from Sydney, the Queen of Degeneracy. Side effects will include dizziness, involuntary abdominal muscle contractions, and overall confusion. If you do not want to have your surroundings question your sanity and taste in entertainment, wear headphones because this will be a weird one. If you are unsure if Sydney combinations are healthy for you, the short answer is no. But still, go ahead and watch it because abstaining would be no fun at all, and I have to finance my incredible bamboo consumption somehow. Also, have fun.
Oh my god.
Daddy. Oh. Wow. Oof. Oh yeah. You go. Cool. Yeah. Get head home. Mungo wongos, itty titties, bazinga fingers, thingy winkies, tiddly-she-oso, noobalobos, bruh, ha! Bye! What? ball. Bet. Oh. Woo! Oh, fuck! Woo! Bruh, fuck! My God! We love it. Oh, hey! Let's show Boo Boo it. Just once. This is really. This isn't just. Gross. Let's more. Daddy. Giga cart. Oh. Oh, damn. Oh, yeah. Oof. Oh. Poo. Umami da. House. Oh. Ta-ta. Damn! Explosion! It's a baby, it's a long baby. Memes. And then I just. Yeah, bruh. Hello. It's a gun. Sweet. Good. Ta-da! Or toodaloo. This is a concoction. Digimon. Ooh goo. Boy. How about that one? I mean. Oh. Fuck me the toddler. Carboxyl hemoglobin. Why? Does that? So cute. Ooh. Let's just get the toy. Wow, party town. What? Ayo! She like girl. What? What? Bam!
Hey there, thank you very much for watching. Now, my current set of Sydney videos are almost on wrap, and I promise you the teased upon Conner Monkey plushie video is in the works. But I also have to tell you that currently I am in the middle of moving, and the backlog of things I have to do can be a bit cramped at times. I hope I can get everything ready as soon as possible, and that you can stick around in the meantime. Also, stay healthy and safe. Take care, bye!